Hey guys, thanks for watching today and joining Design by Kathy. This project we're going to do today for this video, we're going to do a mixed media resin pour. So let's get set up, roll up our sleeves and get started. Okay y'all, I already have my resin mixed up. I mixed it up in these little cups here. And I made a mark to where I poured my part A and part B into and then mixed them together. I'm using the Envirotex Lite hardener and the epoxy. And I've gone ahead and pre-mixed all that and mixed my paints. I'm using a white, and I literally put 4 drops of paint into each one of these. The white, I may add a little bit more. Looks pretty iridescent. But the thing is, as I've said before, you can add to, you cannot take away. And I have a brown. Also, as I promised, we're going to use these little mica flakes in this project. We're going for kind of an agate look. So let's see what we can come up with. Now, again, I'm just going to add just about 3 more drops there. Let's see if that'll whiten it up a little bit more. Not really going to need a tremendous amount of white, but I kind of want to have a little bit of light in the center. And I'm going to use very little white actually, but we're going to start. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to start in this quadrant, and the aim to go out this way. So let's just see what we can do here. I'm going to just pour, and I'm going to pour like in a circle. Again, you need to have your project on as level a surface as you can. I'm going to come back with this, my lighter blue. I'm going to come in with my darker blue, darkest blue here. Be sure to wear your protective gloves when you're working with resin. Now what I'm hoping is that I have a little bit here to set down a little baseline for the mica powders or filament flakes. I'll get it out sooner or later. This is just my clear. Look, I left a little bit of clear resin. I'm going to try to take just my little popsicle stick and see if we can't just start to lay these in here. And I don't know if that's going to really, I might need to use my fingers to have a little more control. Oh, or maybe not. I think I did better with the popsicle stick here. However, I will need 2 of them, one to poke in the resin and one to dip this out. Again, remember, on warm days, you've got less working time than what the instructions, your typical working time before this starts to cure. And it's not going to cure to actually, touching point, but it will cure to the point of non-maneuvering it anymore. Still want to kind of keep these in what will kind of look like a vein in the agate, or the whatever this ends up looking like. I'm gonna come on over and get this last little corner or edge here. And then I'm gonna see any little, like I have a little gap right there, we'll fill that in, and then we'll fill this in. So now let's finish off here with our darker brown. I'm gonna do just a little bit of maneuvering. Now I've lost my little vein of my mica, but I'm gonna slide it back in, hopefully. Now, if you'll notice, when we've done the acrylic pours, you know, how much more fluid the acrylics are, the flowing of it. It's not quite the same here with resin, but it's still, it makes such a nice finish, beautiful finish. And let's see what we can do right here. And we're gonna add some of the dark over here. We need a bit more there. Gonna do a little more maneuvering. Started on running over the edges here. Gonna maneuver just a little bit more. It's gonna start thickening up on us, and let's see if I can. I'm trying to move the little mica powders back to more of a vein look, if we can. Okay, now most likely I'm gonna stop with it right there. I don't wanna end up letting all of this run off. But what most likely we're gonna have to do, or I will do, after this completely cures, is I will come in with another clear coat of resin, just as to let that way level all of this out, level out the mica flakes along with the surface. It'll level it all up really nicely. So I won't have that part of the finished project, but I will post it. It will be posted. I'll get it posted on my website on designbycathy.com, and you can see how it looks with the actual final coat of top resin on it. And one more thing that I definitely want to do here is, I've told you 2 ways here. Ooh, getting rid of your bubbles. Is you can add your torch to it. And one of my very favorite, of course, is Mr. Eat a Bubble here. I really do like the way this works. Clear coat, eat a bubble. Okay, there you have it. We're gonna let this cure and we'll take another look at it. Hey y'all, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video and feel free to leave me any questions or comments. I also hope you'll like, share, and please subscribe. Just remember, whatever you do, make it yours, make it personal, and you can do it. Thanks for watching.